guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this today's video we're going to crack the one hub which are from kioptrix level. Okay, so I'll just give you all this link in the description box, so you all can just go over there and try to download it. So if you all come over this web page, you're going to see that kioptrix level 1. Okay, the name of the author and the web page. So if you just scroll down, you're going to see the two links to download the virtual box file. So just try with any one of these. If one doesn't work, then try with another. So its current size is only 186 MB of that operating system, and we are having the description box over here, in which there is a the set of the game is to acquire the root access via any mean possible. Okay, uh, hacking the VM server or player. The purpose of this game are to learn the basic tools and techniques in vulnerable assessment and exploitation. There are more ways than one to successfully complete this challenge. Okay, so basically we have to get the access into that system, okay, through finding some vulnerabilities over the network. Okay, so I've already downloaded it, and then you all can just extract that virtual box file and create this operating system kioptrix level 1 and just click on start button. Okay, so it will get start. Okay, actually I've already solved this virtual machine box before to find the vulnerabilities, so it will be easy for me to create this video. So it is basically a Red Hat Linux operating system. Now I'll just start my Linux. Okay, our kioptrix level box is at login prompt, so we don't know the username and the password, so we're going to try to access this vulnerable machine. So let's minimize this. Okay, I'll configure this my network to reach adapter if you want to access some information from the internet, and this also I have to do, but I don't recommend you all to make this network for the bridge adapter. Let it be for host only network. Okay, so I'll just do it for bridge adapter now. Just log in. So as I've told you all that I've already solved this machine, so I'll just going to make a walkthrough through this video and show you all how easy it was me to exploit this machine. So first I'm going to just open my shell. Yeah, over here. Then just give these sudo permissions. Just give the sudo permissions. Okay, I mean, now I'm going to I've already created a particular directory for this, so I'm just going to walk through that. Desktop cp level 1. Okay, level 1. Yeah. Okay, so I'm in this particular directory. So we're going to first scan this network, okay, to find the IP address of this kioptrix level machine. So I'll just say arp-scan. So if you all want, you all can use nmap and netdiscover also, but I'll recommend to use arp-scan because it is quite faster. So for that, you will first find your IP address, find the interface of it. So it is currently on Ethernet 0. So I'll just use ARP scan interface 0. Okay, so you all can see over here this PCS systems checking dot. Okay, so these types of systems of card tricks only. So you all don't need to get confusion between other IP address if they're showing. But PCS means that of cartridge level. Okay? Now I'm gonna just run a network scan on that particular IP address. So I'll just try to first open this in my web browser and just check it out if so it is whether hosted or not. Okay, so just come in browser, just paste this IP. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so you all can see this is a test page is used to copy. Okay, so this is a test page. It is used to test the proper operation of an Apache web server. Okay, if you and show this web page. Okay, these are some. I think so. This is an info page of this Apache. Okay, so you can see it is powered by Red Hat Linux. So it is based on the Red Hat Linux operating system. Okay, so let's get out more info about this web page. So I just use nmap hyphen p port number 80 followed by this, and I'll just say ping not I'll just run the scan. Okay, so you all can see that port number. Okay, I'll just try to get the service version. Sorry, using hyphen sv. Okay, so you all can see the port 80 is open. As we know, the service running is Apache of HTTP. Oh yeah, you all can see Apache HTTP version 1.3.0. So this is a very most older version. Okay, so you all can see the operating system is Red Hat Linux mod SSL 2.8.4. Okay, so I think there is an vulnerability in this because it is a quite old version. So what I can do is that I can just use my search exploit over here. Okay, so search exploit is a command and tool in which we can try to search the vulnerabilities. Search exploit, just paste what have you got over here. So I'll just say, and I'll just try to remove this HTTP. Okay, so you all can see there is many of the vulnerabilities given. So you all can see OpenSSL, OpenF. So basically they are remote buffer overflow. So three of them are there. So we can get a remote shell of the victim's machine using this. Okay. Uh, Now what I'm gonna do is that I have already told you that I have solved this machine. So these experts are a bit older. So they were needed to update it. I have updated that experts. So I'll just show you where it is. So I'll just create some more files in this directory only. So as of you all can see, there is one particular directory named exploit. So I'll just go in that, and you all can see there is one directory known as openf. Yeah, just go to that. So you all can see there is one .c file. I'll just open this. See, yeah, so this is the source code of that vulnerability. So it was just needed to update it. So I've just updated from the internet. So this only two header files should be included, and then we should do some changes in the code. Basically this is an remote buffer overflow code, so it will try to send as many as bytes it can and find the offset of the code and eject the payload, not payload actually, the shell code. So you can see it is a big source code. just trying to check that everything is shell code and the knobs thing. So I'll just try to exit this, and I'll just try to run this file. So I've already created the executable file of this, so I can just say dot slash open f, not this much. So I'll just show you the help menu of this, so you all can see. uh, so you all can just see that usage is dot open f target box, then port, then cn, supported offset. So if you all want to make one video on buffer overflow, you all can just comment down, so then I can explain you all what is offset, shell codes and knobs. Okay, so we already know that our victim's operating system is Red Hat, so we'll just go through that. Red Hat, yeah. So it is so it was basically the version was I think so 1.3.20, right? So it should be more than or bit less than. So 1.3.20, yeah, this one. So we should use the offset of this. Okay, so I'll just copy this and I'll just try to run this above file. So you can see it is 06 bytes. Then this is the IP address of the victims. So I have to just paste this, just drag it. Okay, again. Hmm. I'll just try to run the ARP scan again. Hyphen I and followed by. Okay, huh. I need to just give sudo permissions. Okay, this is the IP of that. So I'll just copy that. Okay, just paste it over here. Give a space and then C40 is an common argument. Just come and just hit enter. So you all can see it is sending as much as bytes it can and then finding the proper offset and getting the shell. Okay, it did not gain the shell, so I have to just change one byte over here from A to B, a bit more byte. Now this should work. Okay, it did not work for me also, so I'll just try to get one more. It should work now. Okay, it's not giving me the shell access. I can do is that I can just try the most higher value. It's not working. I don't know why it was working at the time when I just bought it. Okay, I'll just try to just make it clear, and then I can just try to execute it once again. Yeah, let's check if that service is still on. If it is still on this website, and the IP address is same. Okay, let's check the help again of this website. Okay, guys, I'll run this command again. Okay, so I'll hit enter. Okay, so we are connected to it. So I was not getting that shell problem, so I thought that we did not got the shell access, but actually we got that. So if I type LSO, you can see the P something, so it is a particular directory. Okay, so if I just to PWD, so you can say we are currently in slash temp. Okay, so if I just want to come out, I can just say dot ls. So yes, so you can see I am now in particularly root directory over here. So if I want, I can just shut off shut down. Now might be okay. This command does not work. Okay. Okay, so if I just try to go in USA folder over there, so you all can see we have successfully got the shell access. So you all can see that we have successfully got the shell access in the victims this kioptrix level, and we have successfully solved this box. Okay, so this one I've told you all how we can just try to get the PO access in this command manual error. So I can see that all the particular files are there. So if you want to find that password file, so I can just try to change the password and get the login, okay, in that. So I'll first check whether I'm root or not. So you can see I'm currently in root user, so I can just say password for root, and I can just add a new password saying that root only. Okay, it's too short. Root 123. Okay, root 123. Root 123. So once updated successfully, it seems. Okay, now let's go to our kioptrix box and just type over here root 123. Okay, it's for root. Say root 123. Okay, so you all can see that we have successfully got the access in the that characteristical box. If I do Alex, so you all can see the file something is there. So now currently we are in root directory. Okay, so in this video I'll show you all how we can get the perfect root access in that characteristics level 1 box. Yeah, so in next video I'm going to solve the characteristics level 2 box. So please stay tuned to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.